Once upon a time, there lived a lady and her spouse, together a couple of twins. One day their path met a lonely old house in the land of the city of gems. They worked on it hard and they worked on it late. They often forwent their supper, fueled only by their wishes and fate, for it was quite the fixer-upper. Into the walls they poured their laughter and uncovered its magic anew, and so it was known as the Fed thereafter, where all are welcome, especially you. Great blessings are bestowed upon all of those who enter, and the lonely old house, full of life and love, shall live happily ever after.